Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix upload failed in Google Drive. Maybe you're getting an error such as this where you upload your files or videos onto Google Drive. It shows up that it finished uploading 100%, but then it fails for some reason, okay? Or you get errors such as this. It's really easy and simple, guys. Usually what's happening is you're sharing stuff here in my computer. So if you drag a file into my computer here. Usually you'll have a computer set up. I haven't set one up yet. But if you're saving files here, you're trying to upload them here, it is going to upload. It's going to show it uploading up to 100% and then it's going to fail. What you need to do is click on My Drive and upload something here instead. So for example, I am going to upload this video right here. Look, it's going to start uploading and boom, it's done. It's literally done uploading. It's that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, of course, you can subscribe.